Hey guys, Rich Bassi, a YouTube vlogger and creator here. See back there, right over there? That is a white screen. That's what I've been using for quite some time before AI came into the picture. And I have to say, you don't really need a white screen anymore. At least I don't anyway. And the simple reason is because with the new AI feature that comes with Filmora 13, it is so easy to take that background out. Check it out. I'm going to move this picture over here, Bing. It's a snapshot. And as you can see, it's very busy, right? Okay. And what I'm going to do is really cut and dry, show you guys. I'm going to click this on. And right up over here, where my mouse cursor is moving, it says Basic, Mask, and AI Tools. I'm going to click this on here. It says AI Portrait. Bam, it comes out. And just like that. If you want to put it back again, just hit this little slide button here. And there it goes. Now, let's go back over here again. You see where it says edge thickness? This is important because sometimes when you do that feature, though, little parts of your ear might get caught up, whatever, in this case. So what you want to do is, I usually like to go a little out like this here and then gradually bring it back in like this. Because you don't want to cut part of your ear off, right? You want to keep it in there, all right? I know it's still a little white showing. That's a telltale sign. If you see the white showing, that means you didn't go all the way through it. So you could always just go like, get it very gradual like that, where you can get it, not that much like that, but that should be okay, okay? All right, so what we're going to do now is, being we have this here, all the background's removed. Let me move me over here like that. We're going to change the background. Look how easy this is, folks. Check this out. I'm going to move this over here like this. Boom. Look at that. Right? If I want to change that background, I just go over here, right click, cut. Whoops, that's the wrong one I want to cut. Yeah, I'm going to cut that out. And we're going to drop this one over here now. Boom. Now, this image was created with AI image creator here. So we're going to show you really quick what I did on that one. You're going to click it on. You're going to see a little camera spinning around over there. It says it's loading up. When you get to this window, it's going to say describe the image you want to create. So I'm just going to put walking on the moon over here. Okay. I'm going to put walking. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me just get this out here, folks. There we go. Let's get rid of that. Okay. It'll go anyway. Okay. Walking on moon. I could put walking on the moon. I'm just doing this really quick. Over here, you're going to have different aspect ratios, 16.9, 9.16, and 1.1. And over here, if you choose image style, you're going to have freestyle, hand-drawn, cyberpunk, ACG, I think it is. Yeah, ACG. Van Gogh, that's the one I created over there. CGI, watercolor, and futuristic. Let's go with the, let's try the ACG. Yeah, we'll try that one. Why not? So you hit that there, hit start creating. That little paintbrush is going to spin it around over there, go back and forth, and it should come out. It usually doesn't take that long, folks. Got to be patient with it, and it should be done soon enough. And there we have walking on moon. Now, if you want to keep this picture and add it to your what do you call it, global media, I could do that. Just hit this little arrow key, boom. And download the image. Now it's here. Same thing. If you want to get rid of it, just go back over here, right click, cut, and drop this right over here. And there I am in the middle of these two guys walking on the moon. Or two people. It's so cut and dry. I love it. Back in the day, I used my white screen here. Now I still use it on occasion if I just want to back out the background over here where I don't want to see like the little dinette kitchen there, whatever, table. I would use that screen just to block it out. But today with the AI stuff, I mean, it's phenomenal. I mean, think about this here. Look how it went from this here, from this, to this. It's amazing. It really is. I love it. It saves so much trouble. I don't even really need the white screen anymore. But like I said again, on occasion I use it. So I hope you get a takeaway from it, and check it out. And if you don't have Filmora 13, I highly recommend you try it, though. Especially if you're a new YouTuber, I think you're gonna love it. So if you like this video, you got a takeaway from it, please don't forget to that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and if you want to be updated when I post new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassi signing off. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye for now.